This is a Chaowei small portable outdoor Bluetooth speaker known as the LDS S1. You can connect it to your smartphone up to 33 feet away. It's 5 watts of power with 4 hours or more of battery life. 33 feet of distance, waterproof. It has a TF card slot, braided rope. It is a unit that will vibrate and tell you when it's on, and give you a nice high beep, and very simple to hook up. The speaker is waterproof as long as you have this door 100% closed. And it is playable, near water, splash proof, waterproof rated. Digital basics is the pairing you're going to long press. It's going to go on with the awesome vibration. Keep holding it. And once you hold it, you'll see in there digital basics down here. You just simply press on it. It connects and you're ready to go and open up a program and play live
Oasis Vibe.
music.
Cheers. Fit.
And it's very simple to do. It has a nice rope that you can hang up, put anywhere you want. The charging port is located down below. The TF card slot's located right here. And you have for a tape player or anything that takes a TRS cable and you want to have external audio going in. To simply charge is plug in the USB-C. Down below would be a light red, very soft, telling you it's charged. And on the front would be a very soft blue light telling you it's on and playing. Pause, play, decrease, and increase volume. To switch to the TF card, you just press on the play button and so forth. You can connect to your phone. You can connect to the TF card. I hope this is a product that you may be looking for by Chaowei, the LDS S1 Bluetooth 5-watt speaker that will play 4+ hours. It is IPX6 water and shock resistant. And you can have a lot of fun listening to music by the beach, anywhere you want to go. Very rugged design. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.